welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new or if you're coming over from the playlist. I'm Holly, and today we're sharing with you our monthly group collab, which is summer salads. So every month we get to share with you a different theme. So for this month, that's what we're gonna do. And you're gonna find lots of great ideas in this one. Lots of variety of salads that you can make. Summer is around the corner, so these are great for those hot days that you don't want to turn your oven on. And the one I'm making is kind of a deconstructed sandwich, one of our favorite sandwiches, which is a muffuletta. It's a Louisiana favorite. It's been around for about 100 years now, I think, the history behind that. But it is a delicious salad. So basically I'm taking the things I would normally put into a muffuletta sandwich and putting them into a summer salad. And with our weather right now in the South, it is 90 degrees today. Tomorrow it's 92. So we're kind of already hitting the summer peak even before it's here. But this one is a delicious recipe, and I thought of putting this in a salad before, and I actually found someone on Pinterest who had the same idea. The only difference is I didn't think to put it in a trifle container, a trifle bowl. So that is the difference with this, and maybe one or two different ingredients. But I wanted to share the link to her site just so that way I can give her credit for that part of it. I'm going to leave the link to her recipe down below in the description box, along with the playlist of all my YouTube friends making some delicious salads for this one. And it is being hosted by Melissa at I'm Merely Melissa and Kristy at Kristy's Farmhouse. They both have great content on their channels. I think you will love them as much as I do. Please go and check their channels out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you like the content, and give us some comments down below. We'd love to talk with you in the comments as well. And now I'm going to show you how I took the ingredients that would have been in a muffuletta sandwich and put them in a summer salad, and I hope that you enjoy the video. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you how I put all of this together.
And as I said, this is just basically taking a muffuletta sandwich, if you've ever had one. And being from Louisiana, that's one of our favorite sandwiches to have. It's a meal in itself. And we love our po' boys too, but muffulettas, it's just, there's something about it that just is really good. So you've basically just taken all those ingredients that you put into a muffuletta, and we're going to put it into a salad. And like I said, the recipe, I will leave linked down below so you can get the equivalents that you need. This, you need a ½ pound of cubed up ham, a ½ pound of Genoa salami, a ½ pound of provolone cheese, cubed up. And for the olives, it's 4 ounces each, I believe, of just the green olives with the pimentos, and I just cut those in half, along with Kalamata olives, and I cut those in half as well. And then the black olives, I just slice those up. And then you need 5 ounces of lettuce, or a spring mix, whatever your favorite lettuce is. Also some matchstick carrots. This is not in her recipe, but olive salad has carrots in it, so I wanted to make sure to incorporate some carrots into this. You will also need some croutons and some Parmesan shredded cheese. And as you can see here, this is what the Italian olive salad looks like if you're going to make like a muffuletta. This is what you would put on it. And you can see all the different olives that are in there and the carrots. And this also actually has, I think, a little bit of cauliflower in it as well, and capers. So this is really, you know, that's your olive salad that you would put on a muffuletta sandwich, but we're not going to use that because it's very oily. So for the salad, you're going to take a trifle dish, and if you want to do this in a bowl, you can. It doesn't matter. You can just, you know, do it however you want, but I have a trifle bowl that I decided when I saw the recipe I would do this. So put half the salad mix into the bottom, and then I start adding the salami first, And you want to just kind of spread everything out. So I'm just spreading the salami to where everything's evenly placed over the top, over the lettuce. Then add the ham. All of these meats and the cheese, I had them cut it in the deli, but I did not have them slice it. I told them I wanted it to be a ½ pound each, and I just wanted it to be able where I can cube it up. So you can ask in the deli for them to do that. Also, the cheese goes on top, and you just want to spread it out. Like I said, just, you know, get it evenly spread over the top. And that way, when you go to take this out, you have a bite of everything in it when you put it in your bowl. And then here I'm going to put the black olives first. You could absolutely mix all of the olives together and then do this, but I prefer just to mix each one so I know that you're getting a bite of each kind in the lettuce, in the salad. And then I add the Kalamata olives. And I think in her recipe, she also added pimentos, just a jar of pimentos. I chose not to do that for this. I'm just adding, you know, the olives with the pimentos in them. Then I take the carrot sticks and then just spread that out over the top of the olives. And that just gives you that little bit of crunch in it as well. And usually in the olive salad, it's cubed up. Then you take the rest of the lettuce and put that over the top. And I also had I think I ended up with maybe a cup or so left. I didn't want to force it into the top of this trifle bowl, so I just kind of left it off to the side, and then when we had our salad, I would just put some into like our bowls and stuff. So just, you know, put that as neatly as you can. I put a few more carrot sticks on top. So this is just garnishing it for the top. And then the Parmesan cheese, you just put a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons or so. I just sprinkled it on. I didn't really measure. And then you'll add some croutons on top. And then when you go to put this in your bowl, you can also add more croutons and Parmesan cheese and carrots if you want. So it also had a recipe for a dressing. So I decided to go ahead and make this. It does not make a lot, which it turned out, but it's 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. It called for flat leaf parsley. I didn't have that, so I just used a little bit of curly leaf parsley that I had. I believe it was a tablespoon of red onions, 1½ teaspoons of minced garlic, and then you'll need, it's a 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper, oregano, and basil, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I showed shredded Parmesan, but that's not what you need. You need grated Parmesan, I'm sorry. You need 2 tablespoons of that. So just add everything to a food processor. And here I'm just adding the 2 tablespoons of the red wine vinegar. You can absolutely use your own dressings for this salad. You do not have to make this. You can use any type of an Italian dressing you want for it, because I think that goes best with this particular type of salad. And I'm adding the 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then I'm just going to pulse that until everything gets emulsified and becomes a salad dressing. I put it into a mason jar, and this is how much it made. So you can double this if you want, but I just wanted to show it since it was in the recipe. And it did, you know, it did go a little ways because it just drizzled on top. But if you like a lot of dressing, that might not be the one to use. But this is what it looks like in the trifle. And I think it just gives a nice presentation. This is really nice if you're having a gathering, a picnic during the summer, baby showers, birthdays, any type of a gathering that you're having to get together with. This is a good salad to make for that. So I think it just, like I said, the trifle does give it a nice presentation. And to get the salad out, you want to use tongs. So don't use like a spoon or anything because it'll go everywhere. So tongs are the easiest way just to kind of get it out and put it into your bowl. After that, you can use whatever you want to try to get it out, but the tongs definitely work great. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. I put more croutons and a few more carrots on top. This is delicious and a really good type meal, actually. And you don't have to turn your oven on. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. And please don't forget to check the playlist down below. And thank you, Melissa and Kristy, for hosting. Please go and check their channels out as well. Hope everyone has a blessed day and a great week ahead. God bless y'all.